What's up, future thinkers? Welcome back to Pacey AI, the channel where today's groundbreakers become tomorrow's game changers. Today, we're diving into a real-world AI revolution that's about to drastically change how drones, robots, and even the US military operate. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. All right, let's jump in. But first, what's your take? Drop a drone emoji in the comments if you think drones are the next frontier for AI. So, Lantronix and Aerora just dropped a collaboration that's redefining edge AI. They're pairing Qualcomm's chips with cutting-edge processing to create AI systems that think on the fly. Think of it like AI Autobots for drones, processing visuals, navigating obstacles, and making millisecond decisions without needing to ping a faraway server. Why does this matter? This isn't just about tech, it's about embedded intelligence. Imagine a drone analyzing crop health in real time or guiding itself through a disaster zone. The hardware is smarter than ever. All right, here's the money shot. Where does this tech shine? First, autonomous navigation. Drones can now plot out complex paths. No GPS? No problem. They'll learn your environment, dodging trees or buildings automatically. Second, public safety and surveillance. First responders get real-time intel. Imagine a swarm of drones tracking wildfires or detecting survivors in rubble. Third, logistics and agriculture. Drone fleets could replace human labor. AI farmers monitoring crops, AI delivery bots zipping packages cross-country. Which use case excites you? Now, the bigger picture. Lantronix says the drone market could soar to $163.6 billion by 2030. But with 15% annual growth, who's leading the charge? Government and private sectors are battling for this tech. The US Defense's recent 200-meter contract with OpenAI proves AI's next frontier is military and civilian alike. But ethics? We'll have to watch how transparency and security play out. This is where innovation meets responsibility, and the stakes couldn't be higher. That's a wrap, next-gen thinkers. AI is no longer hype, it's here. And Lantronix's breakthrough shows us how drones and edge intelligence will revolutionize industries. Before you go, drop an idea. What AI collab should we tackle next? Public safety, quantum merging. Let's brainstorm. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more cutting-edge AI news, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Peace out, future thinkers. See you in the next innovation.